Tired of Amazon rejecting your Paysafecard? Amazon doesn't directly accept Paysafecard as a payment method, but don't worry, there's a workaround. First, you'll need to find a reputable website that sells virtual Visa or MasterCard gift cards using your Paysafecard to make the purchase. Be sure the website is legitimate, read reviews, and check for security certificates to avoid scams. Pay attention to any associated fees, as these can eat into your spending money. Purchase a virtual gift card using your Paysafecard balance. You'll typically receive the gift card details via email, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Now head over to your Amazon account and go to your payments at the virtual Visa or MasterCard gift card as you would any other credit or debit card, entering the card details you received. You can now use the gift card balance to make purchases on Amazon. Keep in mind that some gift cards might have restrictions on what you can buy or where they can be used. And that's it. While not the most direct method, this workaround allows you to use your Paysafecard balance on Amazon. Just be mindful of fees and restrictions to make the most of your money.